Good afternoon and Jain students. Today we are going to perform the redox titration whose aim is already written on the blackboard. That is to prepare the M by 50 molar salt solution of the volume 250 ml and find out the molarity as well as the strength of the given KMnO4 solution by titrating it against the Mohr salt solution. Here the two solutions are provided to you. The first one is the known, which is named as Mohr salt solution, and its molarity is 1 by 50 or M by 50, and you need to find out the strength and the molarity of the KMnO4 solution by titrating it against the standard solution, that is your Mohr salt solution. Fine. We will use the formula which is written over here, M1 V1 by N1 is equal to M2 V2 by N2. 1 is the coefficient which is used for the known solution and 2 is the coefficient which we are going to use for the unknown solution. Means 1 is for the Mohr salt solution, 2 is for the KMnO4 solution. This titration is a redox titration. Here we are not going to use any indicator. KMnO4 will be acting as a self or internal indicator. Rest all the points are already described to you. Now my student Urvashi is going to perform the practical according to my instructions.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. Today we will perform the titration. So first we will pour the KMnO4 solution in the burette till the zero reading. Then we will pour out the extra KMnO4 which is in the burette. So let's do it. Now we will suck the known solution with the help of pipette in one go. We have to maintain this margin line which is in the pipette. So if there is extra known solution, let's drop it out. Here is the margin line. It's done. Now pour it in the funnel. This pipette is of 20 ml. Now we will do the dilute sulfuric acid in the tube. The whole test tube. Now we will mix the dilute sulfuric acid with the known solution. It's done. Now we will adjust the burette according to this funnel size. Now we will drop by drop we will circulate the burette so that when this solution will turn light pink, then we will stop the burette. Also, we will stir the solution continuously for the proper mixture of the burette for the KMnO4 and the solution. As there is no change in the color, we have not yet reached to the end point.
What is the reading? It is 7 point. Speed by reaching to the end point, slightly pink And
This is the solution which we have obtained by our first reading, but we have to further take 3 more readings for the exact calculation. So we have to find the molarity of the other solution, that is KMnO4. So we will use this formula to find out the molarity of KMnO4. Here M1 is the given molarity of the Mohr salt solution, which is given in the question, and V1 is the volume of the pipette which we have used, and that is 20 ml. And N1 is the mole of the ferrous solution, that is here 5 mole. So M2 is the molarity of KMnO4, which we have to find out. V2 is the volume of the urate KMnO4, which we have used, so that the color of the solution has changed to light pink. So that is 7.8 ml, which we have obtained from the burate. And N2 is the mole of the KMnO4, which we have used. So from the further calculation, we will obtain the molarity of the KMnO4 solution. So to find the strength of the KMnO4 solution, we will multiply the molarity of KMnO4 solution to the molar mass of the KMnO4 solution. So by multiplying it, we will obtain the strength of the KMnO4 solution, and molar mass of the KMnO4 is given, that is 158. By multiplying it to the molarity of KMnO4, we will get the strength of the KMnO4 solution, that is in gram per liter. Thank you.